In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your Shopify store. Updated tutorial. Locking your storefront is a great way to work on design changes, prepare a launch, or limit access to select visitors without taking your store offline. I'll walk you through the exact path in the Shopify admin and give you a few helpful pointers along the way so everything is clear and easy. First, sign in to your Shopify admin and head to your main dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, find the sales channels and click Online Store. This opens the area where you manage themes, navigation, and other storefront settings. From here, open Preferences. This is where Shopify keeps a handful of important storefront options, including the controls for the password page. In the Preferences screen, look for the Password Protection section and open it. This is the dedicated area that controls whether your storefront is visible to the public or gated behind a password. Inside this section, turn on the option labeled Restrict Access to Visitors with the Password. As soon as this is enabled, your public storefront is effectively locked. Only visitors who enter the correct password can browse your site, while you and your staff can still access everything when signed in to the admin. Next, customize what your visitors will see on the password page. Click into the message field and write a short, friendly note. Many stores use this space to tease what's coming, share a launch date, or provide a contact method for wholesale or press inquiries. Keep it brief and helpful so people understand why the store is locked and what to do next. Now set the actual password. Click into the password field and enter the code you want to share with your approved visitors. Pick something you can communicate easily, but avoid anything obvious or reused. This password controls access to your entire storefront, so keep it separate from any account or admin passwords and store it somewhere secure. Once password protection is on and your message and password are in place, your storefront is locked. A quick way to confirm is to open your store URL in a private or incognito window and check that the password page appears with your custom note. If you ever need to update the wording or rotate the password, return to the same preferences area and make your changes there. That's it. You've successfully locked your Shopify store by enabling password protection, writing a clear